In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember, our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And today, for today, we are having another diagram, and this is double sound ooh. Ooh. Okay. You have to begin by telling the students that whenever we are having two O's with us, it becomes a digraph and it gives us a sound like ooh. You have to tell them that they have to move their head back and forth like this, like the cuckoo clock, and they have to say ooh with the round mouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So what is this? This is ooh digraph. To begin with the lesson, what we have to do, we have to show them different pictures. So, and what is this? This is a hook, 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 hook. Look at here. What is this? This is a book, book, book. And what is this? This is a foot. This is a foot. Can you please touch your foot? Foot. And look at here. What is this? We are having a spoon, spoon. And we are having a picture of a moon, moon, moon. All the words having this sound, all the words having this sound will have an action of ooh, ooh. And whenever you pronounce or you say these words, your mouth goes round like this, ooh, ooh. Now what you can do, you can distribute all these flashcards among the students. Let them look at the picture and let them name the picture. After this, encourage them for the board activity, and for this what we have to do, we have to draw or paste the pictures here. For example, look at here. Ali, come here and tell me, what is this? This is a moon, moon. Ali, can you please try to write down the word moon? Yeah, this is moon. Very good. And what's about this one? Foot, foot. Foot. After telling them and after clarifying all the words like this, you can redistribute the flashcards and ask them to write out the names of the objects or the things at the back of the flashcards. Let them talk to each other about the ooh sound. Encourage them to look around and try to name the other things having ooh sound. After this, encourage them to open their books, focus on reading of these words, introduce this exercise. This is fill in the blanks using short ooh sound and color the object. You have to tell them that whenever they say a word hook, they say a word book, they say a word foot, we have experienced or we used to experience a short sound, ooh sound. But whenever we say moon, whenever we say spoon, there is a long sound. There is a long sound. After this, what you can do, you can ask them to have some pieces of paper, or you can give them some plain pieces of paper like this, and you can ask them to draw the pictures having the name or having the sound ooh sound in their names on these pieces. Then get those papers, staple and have a look of a booklet. You may divide your class into two halves or into different groups. One may group for the short oo sound and the other one will go for the long sound. As a homework, you can ask them to divide their notebook into two halves. Try to write down short sound words in the first half and the long sound word in the second half. And before assigning the homework, don't forget to do this exercise in the classroom. Look at here. Short oo sound and long oo sound. You can encourage the students to come one by one and to give you an example. We recommend you to please kindly spend at least 3 periods for this very topic. Thank you very much.